Welcome to the 7 days of hands-on AI development bootcamp, where you will be building real-world AI projects from scratch. A course designed for absolute beginners who are eager to step into the world of artificial intelligence. This course is ideal for those with little to no prior experience in programming or AI, but have the curiosity and drive to learn. Whether you're a student, a career changer, or simply interested in building your first AI project, this course is structured to take you from zero knowledge to deploying real world AI models. Over the span of 7 days, you'll build projects every day, starting from the basics of Python programming to deploying a fully functional AI model on the web. Each day is packed with hands on projects, practical applications, and easy to follow instructions to ensure that you gain not just theoretical knowledge but real world skills that you can apply the right way. Now, let's see what you will learn during this course. Now, this course covers everything you need to get started with AI development. Each day is focused on a new topic, gradually building on what you have learned previously. Here's a brief overview of what you can expect. So, day one, Python for AI basics. We'll start with the foundation Python programming. Python is the most popular language for AI, and by the end of day one, you'll understand basic Python syntax, data types, control flow, and how to use essential libraries like NumPy and Pandas. You'll also build your first simple program, setting the stage for the AI projects to come. Day two, exploratory data analysis. Data is the backbone of AI, and before you can train models, you need to know how to analyze it. On day two, you will learn how to clean, manipulate, and visualize data. Using libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn, you'll explore datasets, handle missing data, and visualize relationships between different features. You'll work with real world data to uncover hidden insights. Day 3, Introduction to Machine Learning. On day 3, we dive into machine learning with a focus on linear regression. You learn the fundamentals of supervised learning, including how to split your dataset into training and testing sets, train a model, and evaluate its performance. By the end of the day, you'll build your first predictive model to forecast continuous variables like house prices. Day 4, Classification Models in Machine Learning. Next, you'll tackle classification problems using logistic regression. Whether predicting if an email is spam or classifying customer churn, this day teaches you how to build a classification model and evaluate it using metrics like precision, recall, and accuracy. You'll also learn how to interpret confusion matrices to understand the performance of your model. Day 5, Introduction to Neural Networks and Deep Learning. Day 5 introduces the fascinating world of neural networks. You'll build a simple feed-forward neural network to classify handwritten digits using the MNIST dataset. You'll gain hands-on experience with libraries like TensorFlow and learn about the key concepts such as activation functions, backpropagation, and training deep learning models. Day 6, Building a sentiment analysis model using natural language processing. Now, day 6 will focus mostly on the natural language processing NLP, where you'll build a sentiment analysis model using text data. By leveraging pre trained models from Hugging Face or building your own with TensorFlow, you'll classify text as positive or negative. This day provides an introduction to text preprocessing, tokenization, and transfer learning in NLP. Day 7, Deploying an AI model as a web service. On the final day, you learn how to deploy your AI models as a web service using Flask. You'll integrate your AI models into a web application, making them accessible to users via a browser. Additionally, you'll deploy your app to a cloud platform like Heroku. By the end of day, you'll have a working AI powered web app that anyone can interact with online. Now, who is this course for? First, absolute beginners. Since no prior programming or AI knowledge is required, this course is designed to be beginner friendly. Students, if you're studying AI, machine learning, or data science, this course will give you the practical hands on experience to solidify your learning. And if you're looking to switch your career in AI or machine learning, this course will give you the foundation to start your journey. There's also hobbyists and enthusiasts. If you're simply curious about AI and want to build projects for fun, this course will provide you with easy to follow instructions. Now, why take this course? This course is not just about theory, it's about building. You'll have real projects in your portfolio by the end of the week. Each day is packed with practical coding exercises and project building that makes learning AI development easy and approachable. Whether you want to boost your career, impress employers, or explore the world of AI for personal interest, this course is designed to make that journey engaging, interactive, and rewarding. So, are you ready to build AI project from scratch in just 7 days? Let's get started.